As you can see by the title of this video, I did win a giveaway by Mariana Hewitt herself. I am so excited and grateful to have even won. I know the chances are very slim of winning giveaways. So first things first, for those of you who don't know, Mariana Hewitt is the creator of Summer Fridays, which is a very popular mask sold at Sephora. I'll insert a picture here. She is also a YouTuber, a blogger, and a fashion icon for many. I know I love her and the way she styles her outfits, although she does have a stylist, but still, that is still her like aesthetic. I know you guys are itching to see what it is exactly that I won, so I am going to show you guys. I have this big bag of goodies here. I actually received this bag about 3 weeks ago. I know it's pretty late that I'm making the video, but I definitely wanted to make sure I made a video to show you guys. I was away on vacation and I was trying my best to hold off on opening it, but I was just way too excited because I had never won a giveaway before. So I had to see what I got, but I kind of forgot what I got, so it'll be like I'm opening it for the first time again. So the first thing in here is this dry shampoo. This is the brand Chlorine, which is a brand I've actually never heard of. I believe it's a European brand, and it says it's made with oat milk, which is pretty interesting. I know I like to drink oat milk, but I've never had any products that contained oat milk, which is pretty cool. I actually swear by dry shampoo, as my hair has been getting very oily lately after like the 3rd day of my hair being done. So this will definitely come in handy. I'm gonna try it out and let you guys know on Instagram. The next thing I got that I'm really excited about is this Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. This is a matte lipstick, really cute leopard print. This is what it looks like. I think this is the perfect fall shade. The next thing I got is a serum by the brand Sweet Chef. It is this kale and vitamin B serum shot. It is so cute because it has a picture of kale and vitamin B. How cute is that? Let's open it up and see what it looks like. This is what the packaging looks like. It has a dropper applicator. This serum is perfect for hydrating and soothing dry skin. The kale is supposed to calm and nourish the skin, while the vitamin B is supposed to improve the skin's hydration by attracting and holding moisture, helping to soothe the skin, which is amazing, and I cannot wait to use this. The next thing I got is something I've purchased in the past. This is the Urban Decay Perversion Volumizing Mascara. I love this mascara. And it definitely achieves those results. So I will definitely be using this again as soon as my extensions fall out. I have been swearing by extensions, eyelash extensions all summer long. I just find this to be a lot easier than applying falsies or applying mascara daily. The next thing I got is this conditioner by Dove. This is perfect for thick and extremely damaged hair. However, I do not think I will be using this because it contains sulfates, and I know that's really bad for your hair, and I stopped using anything with sulfates a very long time ago when I started doing keratins in my hair. So I think I'm gonna pass this along to someone else. So we've almost reached the bottom of the bag, but I still have quite a few things to show you. The next thing I got is this Revlon High Shine Lip Gloss. This shade is right up my alley. This is my go-to everyday shade, so I'm very excited for this one. I'll swatch it for you guys. This is what it looks like. It's this beautiful mauve shade. The next thing I got is this Hourglass Eyebrow Sculpting Pencil, which is something I'm super excited about because I've never actually used a brow pencil on myself. I've had my eyebrows shaded. I've had my eyebrows shaded before, but I've never actually shaded my own eyebrows, so I will do some experimenting with this. It has a spoolie on one end, and it is retractable on the other end. This is in the shade Dark Brunette, so I think it may work perfectly on me. The next thing I got is really cool. I got these Sunnies, which can also be used for prescription glasses, which is really cool because I always have the dilemma of whether I should wear sunglasses or I should wear my regular glasses because I suck at putting on contacts. So this will come in handy for me. I think I may put my prescription on these depending on how I feel about them, but they are these really cute aviators. These are what they look like. I think they're so cute, and it's a really small frame, so it fits my face perfectly. It doesn't look huge on my face, so that's great. I'll insert a picture here of what they look like on me. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. The next thing I received is this pre-shampoo. This was made in France. And I'm not really sure what the benefits are to this, so I'm gonna have to do some research. But let's open it up and see what it smells like. It has a picture of an orange and lavender, so I'm assuming it smells like the both of that. This is what it looks like. It's super cute. It looks like a little perfume bottle. It has a very strong smell. It definitely smells like orange, and it has like a dropper applicator, so it controls how much you apply to your hair, which is great. I can see this lasting a while. The next thing I received is this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick in a really cute pink shade. This is what it looks like. The next thing I got are these really pretty earrings in this tortoise style. This is from the brand Bubble Bar. I think they're really pretty, but they're definitely out of my comfort zone. But I will definitely try and see if I like them. The next thing I got is yet another serum. This one is by the brand The Spa Doctor. It says Enhanced Glow Boost, which I assume it's supposed to give you a nice glow, which I'm really excited about because I love to glow. And yeah, who doesn't love to glow? This is what the packaging looks like. It has a number 4 on there, so I'm assuming this is a part of a 4-step process. So I'm interested in seeing what the other steps are, so I'm gonna do some research on this. For the next and last thing, I received this really cute bracelet. It says it was made with love by a woman in Kenya. I love that. Girl power. And it also has some really cute quotes here. It says embrace the journey and give a promising future, which I also love. This is what it looks like up close. You can tell a lot of work was put into this. That concludes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe before you go. And I'll see you all next time. Bye!